Good afternoon, teacher. And this video is a summary of the book, The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. This book is a history. It is about Henry Jekyll, a highly respected doctor, and a mystery man named Edward Hyde, who is violent and frightened everyone. Jackie's friend, the lawyer Utterson, begin investigate why his friend is associated with someone so dangerous. High commit cruel act too, including murder, and Jackie becomes increasing the sun for people of the person. In the end, the truth is revealed because Dr. Jekyll's create a potion to separate the good and evil that exists with him when he drank it. Uh, he transformed into Mr. Hyde, who represent his evil side. Uh, Over time, he was no longer able to control his transformation. Um, However, the story teach no that we all have a good side and bad side, and that letting will take over and have very serious consequence of the evil person in the life. Um, this is my resume of the book. Um, I hope I hope que bueno, espero que les haya gustado y bueno, muchas gracias. Thank you.